Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a cute Christmas tree. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, let's start in the middle of the paper. The first thing I'm going to do is the eyes. So I'm doing two big circles. Let's leave a space in the middle and we're going to do the second one. And now I'm going to do another circle on the top. And let's do one more here, little one, just like that. And now we're gonna color around those circles with black. Okay, so that's gonna be the reflection in the eyes, like the kind of like the little shine. So let's color around. And now we're gonna continue with the top part. So I'm gonna put my finger here to measure, and then I'm gonna do a curved line up. Now I put my finger here and I go another curve up. And now from this point I'm going up with a diagonal line. Just like that. And let's do another one. Like this. Okay, now I'm leaving a space here for the star. So I'm going to go up and I'm going to do a triangle. Then we're going to do a triangle to the left and one to the right. And let's do two more on the bottom. Just one and two. And now we can close the top of the tree. We're gonna join this with the star. Okay, now let's go back to here to the bottom, and I'm gonna repeat this, but this time I'm doing the line longer and the curve wider. Okay, so let's do it in the right side. I'm going down with a diagonal line, long and curved. Now let's repeat these steps. This line now is doing longer and the curve is wider. Okay, the right side, the same thing. Let's go down and curve. Good. Now let's do the smile right here. It's a little tiny smile. It's kind of like a letter U. And now I want to do the decorations on the tree. So I'm going to go down this way, kind of like in a diagonal line, doing a kind of like letter U's together. Okay, so I'm just gonna go here on the bottom, do the same thing, going down. Now let's do one more going down this way. And so I'm gonna start the same thing. I'm gonna start with curves. And now from here I'm going up. So just going up. And this part I want to fast forward a little bit, but remember you can stop the video to copy what I'm doing, okay? So I'm going to do one more right here, going up. And this one goes in behind, going up again. Good. Now let's continue here with the presents. I'm going to start with a square. It's going to look like this. Now let's leave a little space and do another square. This one is smaller than the first one. And then leave a little bit of a space and do a rectangle. Just like that. Okay, now let's continue with the bows. I'm gonna do here two lines, and on the top I'm gonna do a curve that goes to the left and one to the right. And inside we're gonna do kind of like a half a circle and another curve. Now the second present is the same thing, two lines. Now a curve and another one, and inside we're doing the same curve and curve. For the last present I'm gonna do here a diagonal lines. So I'm gonna go up, and you can do your own decorations. These are just ideas, okay? And this bow is gonna be different. This one is gonna go like kind of like a bunch of rectangles together. Now we can close the Christmas tree on the bottom, and I'm just gonna continue this line, go in behind the presents and close it. For the last step, I'm gonna do bubbles, and for that I'm doing circles around the Christmas tree and just using these empty spaces I have here. But you can do your own. You can do your own decorations. You can do different things and put the circles where you want. These are just ideas. And let's put two more, one here and one here. And then that's it, we've finished. You did such a good job. And now, are you ready for my favorite part? Let's color. Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Merry Christmas!